Recent breakthroughs highlight a fundamental shift in deploying large language models, LLMs, within enterprise environments. The core challenge lies in the intrinsic limitations of these models, particularly their fixed knowledge cutoffs, high operational costs, and the difficulty of updating proprietary information through traditional fine-tuning. These constraints have made the adoption of retrieval-augmented generation (RAG) strategies not just preferable but essential for practical, compliant AI deployment at scale. At the heart of this revolution is the recognition that LLMs, such as GPT-4 or Claude, are essentially static repositories of knowledge, trained on vast datasets only up to a certain date. Fine-tuning these models on proprietary data is costly, slow, and risks losing general language capabilities, making them unreliable for source-verifiable outputs in regulated sectors. The key insight is that knowledge injection should be decoupled from skill development, meaning the model's language ability remains separate from its source of facts. RAG addresses this by grounding responses in dynamic traceable source documents, instead of overloading the model's context window with expensive proprietary data, a practice that incurs prohibitive costs. RAG retrieves only relevant chunks of information, drastically reducing token costs and enhancing accuracy. This method enables real-time updates to proprietary knowledge without retraining, maintaining compliance with audit and transparency standards. Furthermore, advanced architectures facilitate efficient integration. Models are designed to generate responses while referencing external databases through source grounding, thus ensuring verifiability. This approach supports compliance with data governance regulations, minimizes operational expenditure, and allows organizations to respond swiftly to regulatory changes by updating document repositories rather than retraining entire models. The significance of this development cannot be overstated. It transforms enterprise AI from an academic exercise into a scalable, compliant, and economically viable solution. As organizations increasingly demand source-traceable, up-to-date information, the mandate for RAG becomes clear. It unlocks a future where AI's commercial potential is limited not by the model's inherent knowledge or costs, but by how effectively it can leverage external, authoritative data sources. In essence, the shift to retrieval-augmented generation marks a pivotal evolution, moving from fragile, knowledge-entangled models to resilient, source-grounded AI systems capable of meeting the rigorous demands of enterprise applications, compliance, and operational efficiency.